Ready na?
What?
Be ready. Huh?
Yeah, good.
Which one?
Shoulder pad.
The elbow? Elbow pad.
Okay, I'll take. Wow.
Sticker brake in the front, man. Slippery, oh my god. Some water there.
We have like Badger Trail, which is two-way.
Yeah.
It's not fair.
Let's wait for them there. Let's head to the drag race course.
My brakes are terrible.
Where? The front?
Yeah.
It don't work?
It works, but it's bad.
Why am I bad?
Oh, you know, it's fine.
Okay. Follow me here. What? This is one way.
One way? Alright.
Well, we don't expect incoming traffic here.
Alright. These heights don't scare me. Look for Carnegie. Yeah.
What did you say?
These heights don't scare me.
This is one-way trail. Okay, where is it? Do not enter. Here. Wood Camp Road. So it's square. Keep reading the sign because we're gonna need it for the map later.
Okay.
Which brake you have a problem? The front one?
Front one. It's getting, I don't know. I know it's bad, but that's fine.
What? Is it making a noise? Or it's not working?
No, it's working, but it's not working as well as it used to.
It's not working, or it's not?
Working as well as it's supposed to be.
Oh, I think it's run out. Wood Camp Road.
Camp Road, okay.
Traffic behind you, no?
What'd you say?
There's traffic behind you?
I don't know. Doesn't sound like it.
A lot of trees here. One way. Knob Road. Come on.
About 20 feet away from you.
Okay, right turn. Okay. Jumping. okay?
It's about to stall. Stop.
Stop.
Yeah, it's stalled.
Why? Why you're in what gear you are?
Maybe 7, I don't know.
Okay.
Stop, hold on.
What road is this one?
Oh no.
Traffic. Somebody got stuck.
Traffic where?
Traffic in front of me. Passing. Okay, ATV on the right side. Passing. Okay?
Yeah.
There's a lot of water leak here.
Yeah.
Up here, we're almost on the top of the mountain here. 5,000 feet. No, 30,000 feet.
13,000?
Yeah.
You mean 1,300?
Maybe 1,000 feet.
Maybe.
So you can see the city on the left side. One way. Let's go up. Next road. Muddy boy, watch out. Muddy, make a left. Boy, it's muddy boy, be careful. You okay?
Hey, I'm gonna wait.
A lot of...
That's good.
Make a left. Ah, right.
Okay.
Oh, hard right. Hard right boy, hard right. You good?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god.
That's good. Just make it right.
Right?
Can't find you.
See me?
I've lost visual.
See me?
Yeah, I see you now.
Traffic.
Traffic?
5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Where are we going now? Hold on. Diamond.
Oh my god, that was bad.
What?
My left hand like lost grip of the handlebar.
Wow, it's so bumpy.
Oh man.
Okay, hi, going up. You okay?
Oh, that was bad.
You okay?
Yeah, but I made a really bad maneuver going up.
What?
Going too slow.
Are you following?
Yes, I'm like 3 feet away from you.
Oh. Where is it going?
Up with you going downhill.
No, it says, where is it going? Okay.
Oh no.
Are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, left. But it's not.
I lost visual.
Lost visual?
Yeah. Hold on a little bit. I'll catch up. There you are. Now I see you now.
We need GPS here.
I lost visual with you again.
Huh? You lost me?
Yeah. see you now. You're like 80 feet away from me. Well,
Okay. If they have a store here, it's good because we can buy food or drink. Otherwise, we're gonna just go directly to somewhere. We gotta check the email. Maybe we can go to Santa
Cruz.
Santa Cruz. It's not far here.
No, not that far. Right.
Okay, you're right. Oh, careful. Let's take that skid.
Still on purpose. Hey. Second. Up here. Wow, my butt hurts.
Yeah, I have to stand up there.
Over there, construction. There, look.
What's that? Drinks, food, drinks.
Wanna go right?
But do you have money with you?
Do you have money with you?
I'd say the car. Oh, I don't know if they accept they accept Visa here. Do you have cash? No.
No cash.
I don't know you. I'm telling you. Hi.
Oh, look at the guy. Didn't make it.
The dude didn't make it. Oh well.
Oh boy, traffic in front of you.
I kind of want to try it, but I don't know. This poor dude didn't make it.
It's not really stiff.
What do you think that's like?
This one in Carnegie, that's really stiff.
Oh shit, that was quick here.
Park at the other side.
This?
Yeah, then we're gonna move it later. I'm gonna give you the stand.